Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about which phone has a better performance, Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus or OnePlus Nord 3 5G. Before that, please subscribe my channel for more latest updates. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus was released in India last week to a lot of hype. It is the first Redmi Note phone to have many firsts, such as Gorilla Glass Victus, IP68 rating, in-display fingerprint scanner, and Dimensity 7200 Ultra processor. However, additional features come at a higher price, placing it against several well-known players in the sub-35,000 rupees category. It also means that the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus now competes with the OnePlus Nord 3 5G, one of the most outstanding all-arounders in this price range. How do the two compare in terms of pure benchmarks? Here is a performance comparison of the two cell phones. Version 6. In the Geekbench test, which is essentially a stress test for chip cores, both smartphones score similarly in the single-core test. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus fares somewhat better in the single-core Geekbench test. However, the OnePlus Nord 3 5G scores significantly higher on the multi-core test. It means that the two smartphones can execute a single app or low-demanding job in the same way. However, the Nord 3 5G may have higher overall efficiency. AnTuTu. Similarly, in the AnTuTu test, which determines practically all characteristics of CPU and GPU processing capability, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus trails the OnePlus Nord 3 5G. Interestingly, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus used less battery than the Nord 3 during the stress test. However, the Note 13 Pro Plus has a higher internal temperature than the Nord 3. CPU throttle test. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus' higher temperature in the AnTuTu test does not indicate that the smartphone's cooling system is inefficient. Even under extreme conditions, the Note 13 Pro Plus performed relatively better in the CPU throttle test, 50 threads plus 30 minutes of time, than the OnePlus Nord 3 5G. Gaming tests. While benchmarks suggest that the OnePlus Nord 3 5G outperforms the Dimensity 9000 Society, real-world gaming tests reveal a different story. We spent 10 minutes playing 8 popular Android games on each device. Low-demanding games like Candy Crush, Subway Surf, and Clash of Clans worked well with no stutters. Both phones showed a similar battery drain and an increase in internal temperature. It is observed comparable data while playing 8-ball mini pool, Asphalt 9, and Shadow Fight 4. Both the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus and the OnePlus Nord 3 5G can run BGMI and Call of Duty Mobile with comparable visuals. The Nord 3 5G allows smooth gameplay at 90 FPS. The Nord 3 5G consumed more juice, but it had more steady performance with high FPS. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus also functioned well, albeit frame rates were uneven. Conclusion. Overall, the OnePlus Nord 3 5G performed better in benchmarks and real-world tests, although the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus was marginally more power efficient. Finally, it's a contest between power and efficiency. Other factors you must remember when buying either of the two smartphones include: the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus and OnePlus Nord 3 5G will get 3 years of Android updates. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus has more pre-installed apps. As a result, the program experience is cluttered. However, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus offers additional functionality, such as an IR remote control. The Android 13-based MIUI also bundles additional features to explore, like reading mode and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment my videos.